Hello, today we're going to present our final project, the Cafeteria's code. So the problematic is that going to cafeteria takes a lot of time, and also there are like big agglomerations there because of the lack of efficiency in the service.
So our market is basically everyone who attends PrepApps Tec campus Cuernavaca and wants to eat something. So basically everyone. And it's located in a convenient location. It's the north side of the building, which is a place everyone goes through. So we asked some of our classmates why they don't buy at the school cafeteria and what they would like to see changed. And the majority answered that one of the biggest problems are the queue times, so the times it takes in line, and the confusing ordering system, which has changed a bunch of times. And both of these can be fixed through the use of our solution, which would satisfy the customers.
So the target is making the process of ordering food at the cafeteria a lot faster and with less agglomeration. The solution to achieve this is an app that we own, like code, which will show you the menu of the cafeteria in where you can ask before you go to the cafeteria. And when you arrive there, you only pay in case you haven't paid through the app, and then the personnel will give you your order. The cost, luckily the costs are very low because the cafeteria and the infrastructure is already there. We only need to add our code and the packages where the food will be delivered. So the SWOT, our strengths are that you can select several pay methods and there will be less agglomerations. Our weaknesses are that the app will need to be optimized for many devices, and a lot of users mean that we need to have a server that can like hold those users. The obstacles are we need to have a better infrastructure and equipment for us to develop our idea. And also bad internet connection in the cafeteria will make things go like slower. The threats is that every time the internet connection fails, our app will also fail.
So this snippet of the code. So now we will show you the functional prototype. So here I've already run it, and we can see the menu right now. It's for the food, but it could be for breakfast or say it's closed depending on the time. And so here we can order, for example, if we want enchiladas, it's number 4. And if we want tea, we just write 0, which means we've ended our order, and we press enter. So it confirms us our order. So it says if that's what we want. For example, if we want to change that, we can say no and change it to, I don't know, milanesa and a mochaccino. Okay, so now let's say it's actually what we want. So let's say yes. And it tells you the total to pay is 86 pesos, and your order will be ready in approximately 20 minutes. So we can actually repeat this process every time we like by saying yes in here if we want to make another order, or let's say that's all we want to do. So let's say no, and there the program finishes. So that's basically the prototype we have right now. And the social impact. Well, the impact is that through the use of the app, there will be less time to pass in line, and that will reduce the crowds that form in the cafeteria, which will reduce the stress of the students and save everyone some time. And in conclusion, having this type of low-cost, high-efficiency service helps the community of the Tec de Monterrey to, well, improve their experience of buying lunch in this case. And it will bring some new experiences, which will satisfy the customers, and will probably bring the cafeteria more earnings and more customers. So thanks for watching.